Guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, scammers never stop. Do they? Know they don't. They always come up with new and innovative ways to deceive ordinary people like you and me. So that is why it's very important that we should work very closely and carefully to avoid such scams, especially at tough times like this when people are looking for jobs and economy is not going in good direction. Scammers have perfect time to kick in and deceive ordinary people. So guys, I got this photo as a text message. Yes, as a text message. Hello, this from Randstad, Canada here. We have remote openings. Full details are ready. Reply for info, best regard. Randstad is a big employment company and they don't communicate on text messages like this. When you register on their site, you get an alert, you get alerts, you can ask for jobs. I mean, that's how they do. But text message they never do, and that too with an image like this. Okay. Now, first of all, I would say, first of all, do not download such an image. It could be anything. You don't know if there are some viruses and other things are associated with this image, and when you download, it may reach your phone. Ultimate destination for them. So what you are supposed to do, first of all, don't respond. Simply delete. Simply delete the conversation. That's the best thing you can do. Okay, don't even download the picture. Now, how I am showing you is I have taken a screenshot, and from there I am making this video. Okay, I have not downloaded this image and I did the good job as I think so. Let me know what you think, if I have done well or if I should do something else. But anyway, guys, this is how things work here, and this is how we should protect each other. Randstad and other employment agencies will never send anything like this. So this is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.